stay this way, wrapped up in the summer days. Try to find that piece of time that lets me freeze you in my mind. I don't want us to change, don't want us to chip away. Oh, I am trying to save our bodies against the waves. Could we stay in blue? Everything was new.
you remember that feeling you had when sand tickled between your toes and the salty water kissed your feet? The sound of the ocean and the silence in the mountains.
And every fall has a rise, every burn has a flame. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. Now I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane. Now I'm made with what remains. A thick skin, knowing it's just growing pain.
Well, tomorrow might be a whole new story. We don't know what's ahead of us and how it'll affect us. What we do know is that time will not just stop.
I keep spinning my wheels, but digging my heels in. If hope is so close, then why do I feel so alone?